Hey, it's Graham from CopilotKit. Today I'm going to show you how you could bring a DeepSeek-powered LangGraph agent into the real world using CopilotKit and co-agents. We were inspired to do this demo because of Lance Martin's Deep Researcher project. So we've expanded that in a really big way and brought it into the real world using our co-agents feature. So shout out Lance. It's really cool. You should check it out. And the point of this demo is to show off the core building blocks of taking R1 and bringing it into real world applications. Now on the right here, you can see we've got our LangGraph agent up and running, and you see we've got our DeepSeek model selected here in the bottom. Let's really quickly talk about the application. Over here on the left, we've got the chat interface, and this is where you can actually connect with that R1-based agent. Right here in the middle, this is where we're going to show off the actual thinking process that the agent goes through. This isn't something you'd want to bring into your application, but we thought it was a neat way to illustrate the different steps that the agent goes through. And then finally here on the right, you're going to see the final output of the agent. Before we jump into this video, I want to show you the core piece of CopilotKit that really ties all of this together. Now, the heavy lifting of what connects our front end to this agent is this use co-agent hook here. It's dead simple, and it connects these two powerful things together. Now that we've seen the use co-agent hook, let's actually see this application and agent in action. All right, let's go ahead and send our query here. And then let's pull up this thread and our LangGraph agent so we can actually see the application work. One big distinction I want to set here is between what the agent is doing and what the LLM is doing. This chain of thought that you're seeing come up now, that's coming directly from R1, and that's really what's the special sauce that makes that model so interesting. But what's even more powerful is when you could take that chain of thought and connect it together with agents to do different tasks. This demo uses Tavili, for instance. And so this chain of thought is going out, searching the web, taking those results, thinking about it, synthesizing information, reflecting on the information it just synthesized, and then going out and doing further research. That's incredibly powerful. Now you're seeing that we've duplicated some information here, and that's on purpose. We wanted to highlight this thinking process because that's such an interesting part of R1, but we also wanted to show how that information is showing up inside of the chat. And this has a lot to do with that use co-agent hook that you're seeing. That hook can actually send information either to the chat window or to the application itself, and vice versa. So that's it. Using DeepSeek R1, Ollama, LangGraph, and the humble but mighty use co-agent hook from CopilotKit, we were able to build a fully local R1-powered deep research agent in just a few lines of code using all open source tools. These building blocks are incredibly powerful and mean that you can build really rich agent-powered applications that most people aren't even scratching the surface of taking advantage of. If you want to build an application with this stack or anything similar, please reach out. We're always happy to help. We're going to have a link to this demo on our GitHub, and we're always available to answer any questions. Thanks.